Ano masasabi mo? Panoorin mo yung mga vlog ko para di ka may... Ah, di wag. Block kita. Umiyak. Guys, nag-events kasi ulit ako. Second day. Ako, di ko na. Baka ngayon gabi. Pag sana ako nag-events ako, may nakuha kang napkin. Wala akong napkin.
would want to capture perfectly. Not just the smiles, but the struggles, the growth, and every story behind them. As I formally begin, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to God for His guidance and for allowing all of us to witness this significant milestone in our lives.
Thank you very much, Eliza, and congratulations on your achievement. Before we will proceed to the presentation, acceptance and confirmation.
Schools Division Superintendent Dr. Romeo M. Ali of the Schools Division Office of Pampanga, after that you satisfactorily completed all the prescribed requirements by the Department of Education under the K-12 Basic Education Curriculum. Now, I hereby accept and confirm you graduates of San Vicente Pilot School for Philippine Craftsmen for the school year 2025 to 2026. Once again, congratulations, graduates.
Thank you very much, Sir Nam, for officially confirming our graduates.
Hey, may pagkain na!
Good things comes to those. School head, Mr. Narciso S. Mendiola Jr. To our teachers, to our friends, to our families, and of course, to the graduating batch of school year 2025 to 2026. Good day to all. In a quotation from A Dance with Dragons by George R.R. Martin, it says that a reader's life is the compilation of every story they have ever read. And I, as I revisit my childhood and write my story, it showed different flashbacks, different memories, both the good and bad. Then, reading and writing taught me at an early age to know myself more, to know myself better. Now, I am closer to myself whenever I read, and I am read whenever I write. Nung bata pa ako, the words help, tulong, and sawa were foreign to me. Bilib na bilib pa yung mga tao sa akin because I was the low maintenance child. The child they never had to worry about, and the child that was too independent to care for, and the child that will always make them proud. Later on, I realized how sad life can be, because behind all these medals and achievements was a child who grew up too fast. But I can say confidently now that after 6 years at SAPSEC, I've changed for the better. And I hope it changed you too. SK taught me how to balance academic pressure and life. Tinuruan ako ng mga tao nandito na pwede namang huminto at magpahinga. Sabi ko sa speech ko ng junior high school, if naalala niyo pa, ang buhay ay hindi karera. May mga times na gagabihin tayo, kaka-practice, o kaya magpapaalam tayo ng may project, tapos lilibot lang pala, magka-cutting, dadiretso sa SM, tapos pinabukasan, diretso sa guidance. Diba? The more we look into these memories, then we will see how these small circumstances shape us. Na kahit iba-iba ba ang mga kwento natin, pare-parehas pa rin tayo ng pinanggalingan. And for my story, after 12 years and countless struggles, good things really comes to those who wait in God's perfect time. I am here today to share my story and to thank everyone who believed and supported me. Sabi nga nila, that it's meant for you, the universe will always find its way to give you all the things you have always prayed for. But to do that, you need to work hard, to strive to be the best, and to stand out. But that doesn't guarantee that you will win in life. That your efforts mirrors the hard work you've put in. I will tell you now that life will always disappoint you. Life will make you question if meron bang bagay sa mundong ito na para sa iyo at para sa iyo lamang. There will be a point in your time, in your life, that you want to give up and start calculating your worth. You will see yourself at the corner of your room, crying because the world was too harsh for you. Para sa lahat ng bumabay, tumulong, at tumubog sa akin, thank you. First, I would like to thank the Creator of all and my mighty God, Allah, for my life, for the people that surround me, for the blessings and knowledge bestowed upon me, and for changing me for the better. Next, is Little Jack. Hindi dahil nagsumikap siya, kundi dahil makalipas ang 18 taon niya sa mundo, natutunan siyang huminto, humingi ng suklolo, at maging tao. Natutunan niya maging mabait sa kanyang sarili. And finally learned that no one can really survive the cruelty of life alone. Siyempre, may family. Kailangan energetic kasi baka di ko matapos speech ko. Isiiyak agad ako. When I was writing this very speech, sabi ko sa sarili ko, pumuli ko na lang yung pamilya ko para safe. Para pag umiyak, sa huli na. But how could I? Paano ko yung humuli? Ang mga tao, kung na pala, nagtiwala na sa akin. Para kang mga pagkipata. Di ko man maglasabihan. Mahal ko kayo. I love you all more than anything in life. For every sacrifice and for the endless support and the constant reminder na hindi ko naman kailangan maging pinakamagaling. That I already know.
Iyak ako sa mata ko.
To my ride or die, my siblings, to my ever supportive, one call away, Lola, Lolo, and Titas, nasumbungan ko pag nagtatampuran kami ni Mama at Papa. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To my elementary friends, Aika, Noy, Daddy, to my dearest Darlene, Ashley, Jay, what always been the support system, the longest. To my ML team, Elaine, Ace, Jared, Joff, Ezekiel, and Paul. And my food trip buddies, Sailin, Laila, Angela, and Tiffany, whom I shared cries and laughter with. To my coach, Mom Jessa, who always believes that I deserve everything I work hard for. To my dear head teacher, coach, Sir Cham, for opening up the door of SB when I thought life had already closed all of them. Warren Garland, Sir Mike, who told me that I could reach higher and move my plane for fast recovery. To my dearest advisors over the years, my first parent after pandemic, my beloved Sir Jay, my second ma, Ma'am Sha, my dearest Mama Jen, and of course, ang advisor namin this year ang tatay namin. Sir Dex, like that. In the short amount of time that we have, you molded me to be the best version of myself. And you would always be my second parents in school.
Baka mabanggit ka
Inisip ko nga, ay, ayan, skip ako.
Baka mabanggit
To my favorite teacher. Although I love every teacher equally, Siyempre, ang ka-size ko,
Sir Leo.
si Sir Leo. One of the best
Ka-size ko.
teachers I've ever had. Palakpakan naman. Not only because of his skills in teaching, but for teaching me that I could do things I never thought I could do. Iniisip ko nga kung paano ako magpapagkakashin.
Kapatid ko si Donna, ano eh.
Ang pasasalamat ko sa lahat ng tao tumulong sa akin. That's why for the past few days, I gave you sealed letters and I told you na i-open lang to pag sa switch mo na. Kaya take them out po. Pero paano naman ang aking dearest Abraham? The past few years won't be as memorable as it is without you guys. So para sa huling surprise ko sa inyo, please look under the chair for your own letter.
Ha? May letter? Kami? Saan? Ay, gago, meron. Oh my God! Jen! Ano, binabayak kami ni Gerald! Thank you, Jen!
Sabi ko sa sarili ko, if I cannot take them one by one in my speech, then my passion for writing it. So please open them now and read them. My dearest Abraham, I know the future looks scary, filled with many uncertain things that can either make us or break us. But please, no matter how hard life gets, do not ever lose your drive to live. Do not let your sprite die down, and always keep your passion burning. To the graduates of 2025 and 2026, your time here at SD was just one of the beginning chapters of your life. And I hope, just like me, you have started your book
love
and
you.
your story
love
with
you
a
so
full
much.
heart. You are the writer of your own story.
I love you, Jen.
Kaya huwag kayong papalo.
Pumunta si Gerald.
Sa story
Oo nga, ang aga ni Gerald.
wala kayong pangarap.
Aga naman nagpayak.
To everyone here today, thank you for showing me that there is still kindness. Thank
Ay, yung
you
mga boys
for-
di umiyak.
for
Mga
helping
babae
me
talaga eh.
the version of myself that
Mga
I am
boys di
supposed to be.
umiiyak.
Thank you for showing little Jen that the
Ganda nun,
world is
Jen.
not
Naging
always
ano kami
cruel.
doon.
Being
Naging
with you
highlights.
for the past
Highlights
2 to 6 years prove that you are what you surround yourself with. And me, I am confident that I am surrounded by passionate people. I am John Real Picadere with highest honors for batch valedictorian, matay nasa langit, pay nasa lupa, nangangarap ng mataas, tinutupad ng patas. Thank you everyone.
Thank you for those heartfelt and meaningful words, Cheryl. And congratulations on your achievement.
Malig mo nang. Nakatsura ka.
To share the accomplishments and future directions of our
Ay, ano
school,
na, iyakan
may
na,
call
ayoko
our
na,
school principal,
iyakan na.
Mr. Cecil S. Mendiola
Magsusa pa pala to.
Jr. for the sake of the
Until September, am I right? 60 days or 55 days, something like that. Second page, niraran po lang natin yung mga issues and concerns and our achievements. So on the second page, yan, no, we have taken like AI, but rather it should only probably be used as a tool to improve our work, but never let AI to do everything for you. Otherwise, you will not be developed. You will not become an expert. Okay? Sige. Sige po. Yung other program, makakatulong daw yan.
Kim,
Then,
takpan may
yan
silo.
po,
Kim,
our future
takpan may
pages.
silo.
It's
Yeah,
about
very good.
founding anniversary activities. Then, golden legacy. Before kasi in school, sabi nga kanina ni Honorable Vice Mayor, kailangan alam daw ninyo ang history of your school that it was before that, nested inside the Pampanga State University at 50 years after
Kiss mo nga, kiss mo nga.
Kalahar, no? Lumipat
Alay.
it was just resettled. It's a popular school, so the history of this school must be preserved. No? Then naman tayo na No, parang Miss Universe ang nangyari, meron pang sabi nga, nung pinaggagawa mo sir, bakit buong issue, sabi ko na, sabi ni sir, Chang, iba pag nag-event ang ating paaralan. Tulad ngayon, see? Diba? That is, it will boost the moral of our students pag nakikita nila sa mga ginagawa natin. Yan, sige pa. Sige. Wala kayo na si. Next page. So, hindi lang brainy, no? Magaganda, magwapo yung mga students sa atin. Then we have this night of gratitude where we have launched a golden commemorative book. Hopefully, it will be done, it will be finished, and we will sell it to our alumni as a fundraising activity. Okay? Pinag-practicean lang namin kasi nag-worry sila baka ito hindi maganda. Sabi namin, gumawa kami ng newsletter na ganito para ma-preserve yung mga activities natin na nangyari. Okay, then that song there, then the runway function. Sa runway function, alam natin mga bata ng dressmaking department ang gumagawa ng kanilang mga isusuot at irarampa. Okay? Sige po. Yan, malapit na tayo. Yan, we have alumni. Baka si Sir, next time around, i-picture natin yan. Kasi mga alumni natin na in-invite, they will serve as inspiration, no, for you to emulate. No? Naging successful sila, then you can be like them 10 years from now. Okay, then the Makatapa Festival and another picture, what makes you different from other schools you have?
May we invite Eliza Erica Santos and Kyla Lee Fernando to lead the graduation song.
Wala kasi tuloy sa'yo, hindi nakapit na. Okay, yung research Wala ko yun na din tapos ka na kaya. Hindi ka, ganun lang ako. Taas mo lang yung cup ko. Kasi, ano ba wala pa niyo? Kapila ko. Wala ka na. Wait, ate kami pulpulot mo. Oo, banda kay kiniring kahit tama nga turan lang. Dona, usog ka doon, Dona. Dona, usog ka doon. Ito, wala ninyo. Pag-agay. Yak ka na ulit. Long cover. Ayun na yun. Ayun na. Ay, may lyrics. Good. That people come into our lives for a reason, bringing something we must learn, and we are led to those who help us most to grow. If we let them,
Lasal, Eliza Erica Santos, and
Pupunta tayo sa
Kaya
Mama,
Marie
diba?
Freeman. Let us all watch.
Yan, sa song na yan?
Oo, mapapanood na. Mga 1-minute video na.
Hindi, ano, yung pupunta tayo sa... Hindi ako.
Bading!
Ah! Nangiyak! No, no, no!
Bading!
by unseen hands, guided by the wind, steadied by streams, and carried through both calm and storm. As you rise today, remember that your journey was never yours alone. It was shaped by the people who held on, supported you, and never let you fall. Graduates, as you celebrate this remarkable milestone, take a moment to acknowledge the people who have supported you along the way. Express your gratitude to your parents and guardians whose steadfast love, encouragement, and sacrifices have guided you through every challenge. Honor your teachers who shared their knowledge, patience, and guidance, shaping you into the individuals you are today. Remember your classmates and friends who stood by you, celebrated with you, and made this journey
Nakakaganda to.
And
Pwede yung hug si Sir Jason.
give thanks to God for the
Wait lang,
strength,
magbabango ako. Baka mabaho na ako.
opportunities, and blessings that have brought you to this special day. This celebration is not just about your accomplishments. It is a tribute to everyone who believed in you and supported you throughout this journey. Keep in mind, graduation is not the finish line. It is a stepping stone. It remarks the closing
Sa mama na yan? Wala yung nanay mo eh. Sa parents yan?
of a new journey, full of challenges, learning, and opportunities for growth.
Kita ka ba?
Basta't ipakita mo na magtatalo ka.
Sa bawat hingin, merong kapalit. Dibdib ko sumisikip sa kakaisa. Alam ko kayo'y walang-wala. Sabi mo unahin ka. Sa di mo'y pinaramdam. Di mo kayang magagumay salamat sa inyo. Tunay na kamit sa salamat sa inyo.
Kamiyak ang pangit natin. Ako na yata.
Records, once you're done, you can go back to your cover seat.
So once we're all settled, we can proceed to our program.
Makeup ko! Yung makeup ko!
May we now all rise and join in singing our school hymn as a tribute to our alma mater and the memories we have shared here.
SB yung babala.
Eh, butik may SBP, SBC pa.
Last na yan.
Uy, may young dambrog pa tayo ah.
Sikan mo na yun.
Hugot ang kalakasan. Masilayan ka na. Kami na bubuhayan. Pag-asa'y umusbong sa bawat kalooban. Ang ganda ko kanina, naging ganito yung tsura ko. Isang tanas sa langit. Tata ko marini, yan ang tsura ko. Paano ko gumagawin? Pinulungan tayo ng oras. Yung kubalo kong nilas di pinita kay gulo, tikit ko lang ang katsurang mga tayo. O San Vicente, wala akong kapatay. Mga alam mo'y hindi malilimutan. Karunungan at kakayahan, iyong ipinamalas. Naging gawin namin para sa aming tagumpay. Pagmamahal sa Diyos, kapwa at bayan. Sadyang di matatawaran, pag-ibig mo dalisay, pag-asa, inspirasyon sa iyong ipinamalas. Naging kapagitan ng aming buhay.
Mali ba rin lyrics?
O aming mahal na paralan. SPP, SPC, ngalan mo'y wawagay-walay. Ika'y aming babalikan. O San Vicente, wala akong kapantay. Maalala mo'y hindi malilimutan. Karunungan at kakayahan, iyong ipinamalas. Naging gabay namin para sa aming tagumpay. O San Vicente, wala kang kapantay. Mga alala mo'y hindi malilimutan. Karunungan at kakayahan, iyong ipinamalas. Naging gabay namin para sa aming tagumpay. Thank you, Lord.
Saan tayo mag-ano dyan?
Saan? Sa gitna.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Ay, thank you po.
To formally close and end this momentous
Wait lang, kailangan kong isuot yung tinga ko. Yung malis na Sir Jasper. Nakikita mo siya, wala ako salamin eh.
high honors. Also a recipient of 4th place online desktop publishing cluster level.